In this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve a super quick and easy makeup routine in just 5 minutes. I promise you that this routine will leave you glowing and ready to conquer the day. So if you're always running late or you just want to run a quick errand but still want to look good and put together, then this video is for you. Hey beauties, and welcome to my channel. In order for you to achieve this look, just know that multitasking is key. I'll be taking a few seconds to list out some key products that you'll be needing in your everyday makeup bag that can serve different purposes for you. First, you need a moisturizer that has SPF. What I mean is a moisturizer that can also serve as a sunscreen. I know that we might want to look good, but at the same time, we need to protect our skin from UV rays. Here are some moisturizers that I recommend. I'll also be dropping every detail of all the products that I mentioned in this video in my description box, so do well to check them out. Secondly, you need a black and brown eye pencil. Now, this can either serve as an eye pencil, a lip liner, or an eyeliner. Thirdly, you need a cream palette. Now, the benefit of cream palette is you can either use it as a blush, a contour, or even a lipstick. Fourth one is a powder palette. Now, with a powder palette, you can use your shade to powder your face, a shade or two brighter than your skin to powder your under eye, and then a shade or two darker than your skin as contour. So now let's dive right into the video. So I've already cleansed my face off camera, so I'll just go ahead to moisturize. And for my moisturizer, I'll be using the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Day Cream.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait.
Now that we are done with that, I'll just go ahead to prime my face. And for the primer, I'll be using the Omaricode Hydrating Face Primer. And I'll just be using that on my T-zone.
I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love.
So now I'll just let that dry up for a bit while I go ahead with my foundation. And for my foundation, I'll be using Beauty by AD in the shade Bad O2, and Maybelline Fits Me in the shade 340 to get my shade.
Now, when getting a foundation for an everyday use, I'd advise you go for an affordable lightweight foundation because it's easy to blend. And also the fact that you're going to be using this foundation every day, you wouldn't want to end up buying a high-end foundation only for it to finish within 2 weeks. I went ahead to blend with a beauty sponge. Actually, when I'm in a rush, I prefer to blend with a beauty sponge because you can literally blend all your cream products with just one beauty sponge.
Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this.
For my contour, I'll be using this lip palette by Imagic.
I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love.
For my concealer, I used Milani Concealer in the shade 155.
All of your love, I came
For my blush, you know how I told you that you can multitask? Well, I used the same lip palette I used for my contour for my blush. And for my highlighter, I used TM Essentials Liquid Blush. I can't remember the shade, but I'll just write it in the description box. You know how I was bragging earlier about how I use one beauty sponge to blend all my cream products? Well, my beauty sponge put me to shame today because I was blending this highlighter and it refused to blend. Contour and blush blended, but the highlighter just stayed there and was looking at me. I kept blending, even started pounding my face, but it did not move. I just had to keep trying. The only thing is I was just angry that it was taking my time. Well, my brush was very close, so I just picked up my foundation brush and just continued the blending. And the foundation brush really blended it well. So if you're getting this particular highlighter, just don't waste your time using a beauty sponge. Just blend it with a foundation brush to save your time.
fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm good.
To powder my face, I used the Milani Minerals in the shade 108 Medium.
I know I'm good, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love.
For the brows, I promise you don't want to do too much. So what I just did was to use my Davis eye pencil to fill up the empty spaces in between my hairs. So you just take your time to fill up that space. After filling up the spaces in your hair, you now outline it using the shape of your eyebrows. You know, the main purpose of this video is to save time, so we are not concealing. That is why you have to make sure that you don't make a mistake with your eyebrows.
I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening? You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time?
Using the same eye pencil, I just outlined my lip. If you want a fuller lip, you can overline your lip, but if you want a smaller lip, you can draw the eye pencil within the corners of your lip.
Right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine,
To line my eyes, I'll be using the MAC black eye pencil.
baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Ain't getting enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening? You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm
For my mascara, I'll be using the Kiss Beauty Mega Impact Mascara.
love me till the morning, love me in the evening? You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
So I went ahead to use the SS blush on my brush as my lipstick. You can go ahead to choose any color of your choice for your lipstick. If you don't know how to identify the right nude lipstick for your undertone, then watch out for my next video, because I'll be dropping tips on how to identify the right nude lipstick for your skin tone and undertone. To gloss up my lips, I'll be using the Paula Beauty Go Glossy in the shade Ijeoma and Elewa.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it.
To set this whole look in place, I'll be using my Omaricode Skin Mist Setting Spray.
You got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight. You in love with being modest.
You see, quick and simple, and now you are ready to rock your day.
I hope you loved this quick makeup hack for your busy mornings. What's your favorite time-saving beauty tip? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family, and most importantly, subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Nobody giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm a muse, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool.